artists can never afford their own work. You know that? Oh, let's do this view again because it's absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh! Whoever buys this place, in the contract, can you tell them that I'm allowed to visit? This is lovely. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for checking out today's video. Today we're back in East Legon Hills. So I had come to do a house tour of this property, which is currently unlisted, and the workmen are trying to get it ready to go on the market, and also for a viewing that's due in the next week. So I came to have a look around and film, and my developer friend turned up and decided to take me around the property. So in today's video, it's going to be my friend, the developer, taking us around. But I did film a proper tour myself, which I will upload probably tomorrow. So watch this one today. We're going to get to go around and ask questions of the developer, and he's going to point out some things that they're doing in this property. So this is a 4-bedroom property in East Legon Hills, and it comes with a swimming pool. There's this particular property that we're going to tour is going to be a fully furnished one, and they also have the unfurnished one next door. So let's take a look around, guys. Hello.
There's 2 kitchens actually. There's this local dish kitchen.
Okay, the back kitchen, yeah?
Yeah, and the other extra main kitchen.
Okay. Sorry. I love the windows. Yeah. This is the front door, yeah?
Yeah. It's kind of protected because of the
Works, yeah. Even on the other project, I was saying I was impressed how you guys flushed the tiles. That was yours. Excellent. Yeah, I was impressed.
I picked it from where I used to work.
Ah.
We go together, any house together, don't find it like this.
No.
So he does, the child does the same.
Yeah, yeah. 3 beds down on this level. So how many levels? 3 again. That's for the master. I mean, I hope you don't mind being on camera because some people, they don't like it, so. Alright, that's alright then. Because there's music in the background, I'll just do voiceover because Nice. Hope the camera's doing it justice. This is another room.
There's another room, yeah. I mean, the rooms here are similar size.
Yeah.
All the same.
I don't know if it's because of where this one, but this one feels smaller to me for some reason.
Actually, yeah, it feels like a UK size.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's a fun actually.
Oh. So it's got, oh wow, this is amazing. So a fan and then you got the AC as well.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Yeah, that's a fancy fan.
Yeah, it really is. And I like the way you've done the ceilings, that staccato.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if it's
It works
gonna,
really well at night.
I hope it's gonna show properly on the camera because yeah, it looks really good.
The whole top floor is the master. So the master has a living, the closet, and the living area.
Wow. Look at this big balcony. I don't know where I should start first.
The view is incredible.
Okay, yeah, let's do this first.
The view is
Oh,
amazing.
wow. No, this is amazing. Look how big this is.
The view is incredible.
Oh,
I
this
love
is
it. I don't
nice.
use my balcony, but this one.
How can you not use this balcony if it's yours?
Yeah, this is amazing. You can stay and have your drink.
But even look at the way the sun's setting in the
Oh, yeah, it's beautiful.
distance there. It's so lovely.
And it's quiet.
Yeah.
The houses you see is all good stuff. The view is great.
And then it
Even
bends
the
around.
first one's view is even better.
So are you? Is this going to be open as well?
No, there's a pergola, so there's a wood.
Oh.
Yeah, so there's a wood.
Oh wow. I'm going to come back when it's done. As long as you haven't
When did you
sold it
pack
by.
it, man?
As long as you haven't sold it by then.
Yeah, hopefully. I hope that this will go faster.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
The view is incredible.
No, it is.
So at night you got this beautiful light comes on.
Okay. Yeah, strip light.
Yeah. So the view turns that way.
Let's have a look. Okay. You can play hide and seek up there. You can play hide and seek.
Oh yeah.
So I'm guessing this one is more ahead than that one? Yeah?
This will be furnished, so the focus will be here.
Okay.
Even though both are on sale.
But one will be unfurnished and one furnished.
But you have your bath fittings and everything, except the wardrobes and bed.
Okay.
And furniture won't be there.
Okay. Hold on.
But with here, I love this.
Oh yeah, yeah, this is nice. The lights.
And the color is quiet.
It's neutral, yeah. It's nice.
And you have a master closet over here, which is
So the part that we were just in was the living
master,
area.
and this is the building area.
Okay. It's so huge.
Yeah.
Goodness gracious me. Yeah, look at this wardrobe space.
And it's been a painstaking trying to get it to this sort of finish. Is very time consuming.
Of course. But it's just, it shows in the details.
Yeah.
I mean, anyone that appreciates a high-end finish, they don't mind when you tell them the price. You know?
Yeah.
It's when you give them a price and they come in the place you think,
Yeah.
where?
True.
And this
So
is,
that's the bathroom. It's a huge bathroom.
I mean, the other place that I went to, I was like, oh my God, it's the size of a room.
Yeah.
But yeah, look at this one as well. It's big.
This is quite.
Yeah.
There's going to be double sink.
Like Julie, his and hers. And then you've got your glass shower area. And you've got your little niche there. But yeah, I can see the connection to the baths here.
I love this house. It's very.
If you could, you would have moved in, yeah? But you see, an artist can never afford their own work. You know that? Oh, let's do this view again because it's absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh! Whoever buys this place, they're in the contract. Can you tell them that I'm allowed to visit? This is lovely. My goodness, guys, I really hope the camera is doing this thing justice because, yeah, it's absolutely stunning.
I love finishing.
Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, okay.
You see the blue mountain
Yeah.
over there?
Let me zoom in a bit and see if we can pick up. Yeah, you can just see the line. Let me see if I can point it out with my. It is beautiful. Can you imagine at night when all the lights are on over the city as well?